To download and install Affinity on your Mac, go to Safari and go to affinity.studio. Click on the Get Affinity icon and sign up to download. Now this is completely free, so we'll sign in with our account here. Enter the code that gets sent to our email address. Enter the code here. And then click on the Download for Mac icon. Allow Affinity Studio to download, and that will pop into your queue. Once the Affinity download has completed, you can close your browser and click on the icon here. Select the affinity.dmg, and this will bring up the Affinity installation window. Click the Affinity icon and drag it to the Applications folder. This will install Affinity onto your Mac. You can then close the Affinity window in the background and you can eject the Affinity icon here. You can then launch Affinity from your applications. Allow Affinity to open and then log in to your account to gain access. Allow Affinity to open again, and there we have the brand new Affinity Designer.